Once again, good morning students, and this is your Science and Technology Part B practical period. I hope you remember in the previous practical period we had seen the male reproductive system. We had studied the male reproductive system with the help of the model. So we are continuing the same experiment, and today we are going to study about the female reproductive system. Now here is the diagram of female reproductive system, and we are going to study about the 4 important organs of female reproductive system, and we have to write the functions of the same in your journal. The table is given in the journal. So the very first part of the female reproductive system is the ovary. And in the ovary, the function of the ovary is to produce the ovum or the oocyte. Second is, you can say, the extension of the ovary, that is oviduct. It is a tube-like structure which connects the ovary and the uterus. Third one is uterus, this bag-like structure where I and you were there during the pregnancy of our mother's pregnancy time, right? So this is the uterus where the child grows as an child, and this whole bladder is called as uterus. And the function of this uterus is to implant the embryo. And the last part is the vagina, but it is the most important part of the female reproductive system, as it receives the semen, because the semen is ejaculated by the penis of male in the female vagina of a female lady, right? So here the semen is received and then it goes into the uterus. Okay, so this is all about the female reproductive system. Now let's go back to our journal and complete the table. So this is the table in your journal. In the first table we had already written about the male reproductive parts and their functions. In the second table we have to write the name of the organs of female reproductive system, and we have to write their functions. So the first one is ovary. Ovary is the first important organ of female reproductive system, and its function is production of ovum or oocyte. Second one is oviduct. As I said, it connects the uterus and the ovary, and it carries ovum from the ovary. Third one is uterus, and its function is to implant the embryo where the child grows during the pregnancy. Fourth one is vagina, and its function is to receive semen, and it also performs the important function for the passage of the birth of child. So these are the 4 important organs of female reproductive system and their functions. Now we will continue with the this inference or the conclusion of the experiment. So this is the inference or conclusion. The very first one is male reproductive system produces haploid gametes called sperms, right? Sperms are produced as male haploid gametes. Second one is, this blank is wrong, actually it is misprinted. We have to start from female. This is the sentence. Female reproductive system produces haploid gametes, and these are called as oocyte or ovum. So sperms are the male gamete and ovum are the female gamete. Then third one is dash and dash unite to form a diploid zygote, and afterwards it develops into human embryo. These sperms and ovum, they unite and they form the diploid zygote. Then multiple choice questions. The first one is dash produces sperm cells: seminal vesicle, urinary bladder, testis, Cowper's gland. Just now we had seen in the male reproductive system, the testis produces sperm cells. Second one is the length of a sperm is dash micrometer. 400, 5, 60 or 600. It is 60 micrometer. Third is at the time of birth, a female has dash ova in her ovary. 2 to 3 lakhs, 10 to 20 lakhs, 2 to 4 lakhs or 20 to 40 lakhs, and it is 20 to 40 lakhs. Fourth one is in context to menstrual cycle, which is the wrong statement. Wrong statement you have to find out. First is around 40 ml of blood is discarded in a menstrual cycle. Second, the menstrual fluid including blood easily coagulates. Third, menstrual cycle generally starts from 12th year of age. And fourth is disturbing menstrual cycle with hormonal tablets causes side effects. It is the first one, around 40 ml of blood is discarded in a menstrual cycle. Fifth one is dash are the ways of family planning: to take contraceptive tablets, to use Nirodh or condoms, to install copper T, or all of these. Yes students, all the above three are the ways of family planning. Okay, these questions you have to go through and you have to try to find out the answers on your own, because we had already finished with the theory part of the lesson. Okay, so students, humble request, please complete your journals on time, because marks will be given during the assessment for your journals. Okay, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.